The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specify a minimum mounting height for ballast on light poles when the voltages are less than 277 volts to ground. The ANSI does require that outdoor equipment be mounted in such a way to prevent physical damage and deterioration. This is covered in NEC Article 410.47. The ANSI, which stands for American National Standards Institute, or IEEE, which stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, Standard Code 136.33-2013, which is the standard for light-emitting diode, or LED, lighting systems for outdoor applications, provides some guidelines. For luminaires mounted at heights of 20 feet or less, the minimum height for the ballast to be mounted above the ground is 6 feet. For luminaires mounted at heights greater than 20 feet, the minimum height for the ballast to be mounted above the ground is 8 feet. Ballast manufacturers typically recommend mounting ballasts at a height that is accessible for maintenance and replacement. This height may vary depending on the specific ballast and light pole configuration. As a general rule of thumb, it is recommended to mount ballast at least 8 feet above the ground to minimize the risk of damage from water, snow, and other environmental factors. This height also provides adequate accessibility for maintenance. There may be exceptions to these recommendations in certain situations, such as if there are physical obstructions or other safety concerns. It is always advisable to consult with an electrician or lighting professional to determine the appropriate mounting height for the specific installation.